Hey everybody, I'm Fox 4 meteorologist Carly Ritter, and later on today it's going to be, well, a lot colder than this morning. We're starting out in the 40s this morning. We'll be in the mid-30s for the drive home, and we should have a little bit of sunshine returning later in the day after the fog moves out, and winds, they're going to be increasing out of the north, running 15 to 20 this afternoon. In addition to that, we're watching tomorrow night into Friday's forecast very closely because we'll have the cold air in place tomorrow, and tomorrow night it's very likely we'll have a snow or a wintry mix to deal with. That will continue overnight Thursday night into Friday morning. And when we wake up Friday morning, snow, sleet, or freezing rain is possible. And this is going to continue through the middle of the morning. Mid-morning into the afternoon is when we'll start to transition to just a cold rain on top of all of that winter weather. And the drive home on Friday is going to be soggy but not frozen. Numbers are going to be in the 30s throughout much of the day, but during the evening and overnight Friday into Saturday will soar briefly up into the 40s, and then the cold air arrives for the rest of the weekend with highs only in the 30s, if not 20s, for Saturday afternoon.